Well, you just got your IMG Jade recliner. It's a beautiful chair. If it is unassembled, there's one small step you need to put it together, but you may have a few minutes to figure it out, but you'll be happy when you do. So the first thing we do is we need to turn it on its side so it's easy to manipulate. And what we're looking for is the side that has this pin with the very small indentation where this clip is going to slide. So one side has that, the other side also has a pin, but it doesn't have the indentation for the clip. So we find that, and we want that to be pointed to the ceiling. You'll also need, before you start, some needle nose pliers, which will allow you to slide this clip into place once we attach it to the seat. So we're going to turn this on its side. Make sure that you're on a carpet or something so you don't scratch your chair. I'm going to pull the seat up, and you'll notice when I do that the seat has holes that these pins on the backrest slide into. So we need to make sure these are exposed and pulled out. There's also this little piece of plastic that goes in here, and I've taken it out because I'm going to put it on the pin instead to make it easier to slip into place. So that's there now on the pin. I pull the seat up and the seat back, scissors out, so it's looking like the finished shape. So to begin, we want to get the pin on the bottom exposed, and I think the real trick here is to use your knee. You see how my knee is behind it? If you use your knee, then you can get the leverage to push it into place. So if you come up close, there's the pin, and here's the hole. So we want to get the bottom one in place first. I'm pushing with my knee. Might take a couple of tries. Okay, it's in place. I'm not pushing it all the way down. And now, come to the top, and you see the pin in the hole right there. I just need to push the pin until it's right under the hole. I'm going to use my knee again right here, and if you look over here, hold on to the seat here to push. So it should and it's in place. So now I just need to push it down. Can you stop? Push to get it into place, but now if you come back and look, the pin is through the hole and the seat has been pushed down, so you have about 1/4 of an inch of the pin coming through. So now we take this clip with pliers. You could do it without the pliers, but it makes it easier with the pliers. Put that on there. Make sure the lip is facing up, if you can see that. And simply, can you see? Push it. Simply push it until it clicks. Go a little more, and there we go. Voila! Enjoy your chair.